Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you how you can download HDO Box on your iPhone. As HDO Box is not officially available on App Store because it's a third-party app that provides streaming, but you can still download it on your iPhone by some alternative methods. So I will tell you what is that alternative method. So here you can see on your screen, you can use sideload AltStore and download this into your iPhone. So first of all, just download AltServer on your computer, Windows or Mac from AltStore.io. Install AltStore on your iPhone. For that, just connect your iPhone via USB, open AltServer on your computer, click Install AltServer and select your iPhone, and then enter your Apple ID when prompted. Then just simply download the HDO Box APK file from a trusted source, for example official website or verified repo. Then open AltStore on your iPhone and go to the My Apps and tap plus and then select the HDO Box APK file. Then go to the settings and then general, then VPN and device management, and just click on trust the developer profile. Now your HDO Box will be installed. Just open HDO Box and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.